Welcome to Marketing of Agricultural Products. Today, we'll be navigating the business side of agriculture together. Let's explore the 4 types of agricultural market structures. Understanding how competition shapes the agricultural landscape is crucial. First, we have perfect competition. This means many buyers and sellers in the market. All products are homogeneous or identical. Firms are price takers, not price setters. There's easy entry and exit from the market. Next is monopolistic competition. Many sellers offer differentiated products. Firms have some control over their prices. Branding becomes very important here. Entry and exit remain relatively easy. Now, let's look at oligopoly. This features few large sellers. They hold significant market power. Pricing decisions are interdependent. There are high barriers to entry. Finally, we have monopoly. One dominant seller controls the market. They have complete price control. No close substitutes exist. Very high barriers prevent new entry. Now, let's examine 4 key characteristics of market structures. Understanding these market dynamics in agriculture is essential. First characteristic: price determination. This is how prices are set by supply, demand, or firms. Second, barriers to entry, the ease or difficulty for new businesses to join. Third, market power, the ability of a firm to influence market prices. Fourth, efficiency, resource allocation and cost-effectiveness in production. Let's follow the journey of agricultural value chains, from farm inputs all the way to consumer consumption. First stage, input supply, providing resources like seeds, fertilizers, and machinery. Next, production, the actual growing and cultivating on the farm. Then, processing, transforming raw products into value-added goods. Followed by distribution, transporting products to retail outlets and customers. Next, marketing and sales, promoting and selling through various channels. Finally, consumption, where consumers purchase and use the products. Now, let's discuss strategies for value addition, enhancing product appeal and profitability in agriculture. First strategy: product transformation, processing raw goods into new products like tomatoes to salsa. Innovative packaging protects and communicates your brand, improving quality through better farming or storage methods. Second strategy: market differentiation, branding and labeling create unique identity. Obtaining certifications like organic or fair trade builds trust. High-quality products can command premium prices. Finally, what is commodity marketing? It involves buying and selling raw agricultural goods in various markets, connecting farmers to broader markets, ensuring fair prices, and managing volatility. Effective marketing helps farmers understand demand, pricing, and distribution to improve profitability. Let's explore futures trading from a farmer's perspective. This is all about managing risk and securing income in volatile markets. First, we have price stability. Farmers can lock in selling prices, ensuring predictable income throughout the season. Next is risk management. This protects against price fluctuations and potential losses from market changes. Finally, improved access to credit. Secured prices provide confidence for lenders to offer better financing options. Now, let's look at the essential roles of agricultural cooperatives. These organizations empower farmers through collective action and shared resources. First category: market access and bargaining. This involves collective marketing of products from multiple farmers. They negotiate better prices by selling in bulk quantities. This gives access to larger retail chains and export markets. Next category: resource provision. Cooperatives enable bulk purchasing of seeds, fertilizers, and equipment. They provide financial services like credit and insurance to members. They also offer technical assistance and training programs. Third category: advocacy and support. Cooperatives represent farmer interests to policymakers and government. They help share risks related to weather and market changes. They foster community and social support among member farmers. So why do cooperatives matter so much for farmers? Cooperatives help farmers achieve economies of scale, reducing individual costs through collective buying and selling. This significantly improves market access and enhances bargaining power when dealing with suppliers and buyers. Furthermore, they offer risk reduction mechanisms and foster strong social and community support among members, leading to more resilient and profitable agricultural systems. Now, let's discuss digital marketing as a game changer for agribusiness. It's all about reaching wider audiences and enhancing customer engagement. First benefit: wider reach. Digital marketing provides access to global markets beyond local boundaries. Second benefit: cost-effective. It offers affordable marketing solutions for businesses of all sizes. Third benefit: enhanced engagement. It enables direct interaction and valuable feedback from customers. Let's explore the top digital marketing strategies for agribusiness. These are essential tools to grow your agricultural brand online effectively. First strategy: content marketing. Creating valuable blog posts, videos, and guides to attract and educate audiences. Second strategy: social media. Engaging customers, showcasing products, and building brand recognition on platforms. Third strategy: SEO or search engine optimization. Optimizing websites with keywords to rank higher in search results. Fourth strategy: email marketing. Direct communication with customers through newsletters and personalized updates. Fifth strategy: paid advertising. Targeted ads on platforms to drive traffic and increase sales. Finally, let's discuss crafting your agribusiness digital strategy. A successful digital marketing strategy requires a clear plan. First, define your goals, e.g., brand awareness, sales, and understand your target audience. Second, create compelling and engaging content, such as recipe videos or farm stories, that resonates with them. Lastly, leverage analytics and data to measure campaign effectiveness and adjust your approach for optimal results. Let's review our key takeaways from agribusiness management to solidify your understanding. We'll focus on understanding markets, creating value, and embracing digital growth opportunities. Agricultural markets range from perfect competition to monopoly, which directly affects pricing and strategic decisions. Value chains add worth from farm to consumer through processing, branding, and maintaining quality standards. Commodity marketing and futures trading help manage price risk and create more stable income streams. Cooperatives empower farmers through collective bargaining, shared resources, and better risk management. Digital marketing offers agribusinesses wider reach, cost effectiveness, and enhanced customer engagement opportunities.